Good morning, children. So you must be now free. Your exams unit test is over and we need to continue with the portion. So the last part in the second chapter is introducing crores. Now what do you mean by crores? You must have heard the word crores and you know that it's a very big number. But bigger than that also the numbers exist. Now what is introducing crores and how do we introduce to you? So you can see I have written very big so that you are able to view it clearly. The biggest 7-digit number. How much is it? That's right. 99 lakh. 99,999. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it's 99 lakh 99,999 is the biggest 7-digit number. Now when we add 1 to it, just like how we did for 6-digit number to get the 7-digit number in our last video. So now we have added 1 to the biggest 7-digit number. We will get the smallest 8-digit number. And that is nothing but 1 crore, children. So 1 when you add, automatically all the others get 0. How? It's fun. You're adding 1 to the units place. So naturally all the places are changing. Because 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0, 1 carried here. 9 plus 1, 10. So it goes on till the last number. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 and 1. And this new place is created, that is crores place. Okay. So you can see units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and this is crore. So now that new place is created, that is crore, children. So this number is read as 1 crore. In words it is ONE 1 crore, or in number it is just 1 crore. And the place name is crores, children. Hope this much is clear. Now we go on with the text. What does the text tell us? Okay. So the earlier ones, 99 is the biggest 7-digit number and all we have done. Now let us read the number, children. How do we read the number? You can see here. Yes, units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. And this is crore, the new place that we are learning today. So it is read as 8 crore 45 lakh 12,706. 8 crore 45 lakh 12,706. Second number, read it along with me. 5 crore 61 lakh 63,589. If you don't understand, count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit means it is crores, children. Okay. Last one, 6 crore 9 lakh, because 10 lakhs place is having 0. So 9 lakh 4,034, because you can see 0 is in hundreds place and here 0 is in lakhs place. Okay. So that is why 10,000s place and in 10 lakhs place. So it is 6 crore 9 lakh 4,034. Now something more apart from the crores, children. Okay. This is not part of the syllabus, but you need to know about it since we are dealing with the numbers. And since today crores is introduced to you, you need to know more about the crores. On the left of the crores place, children, that means one more new place. Just like 10 lakhs place was last for you. Okay. Now crores place is a new one. Now if suppose one more place I have to create, okay, I don't have to create, it's already created by mathematicians. So if one more place we need to know, what will it be? That's right, 10 crores. Okay, and 10 crores is called as Abja. A-B-J-A, Abja. Not Abja, matlab now you go, it's not that, but it is Abja in English. Okay. So 10 crores, which is also called as Abja. Okay. and 10 abja in that order. Okay. The place value of each of these is 10 times the value of the one on its right. That is, in this column you can see, children. It's in order. We'll go to that. Okay. First let us complete. According to the census of the year 2011. What is census? That is a survey, children. Every 10 years a survey is being done. Okay. Which finds out the population of our country. So we know what is the population, how many youngsters are there, how many old people, how many small children, okay, how many babies who need this polio vaccines and all other vaccines to be done. So it gives us one clear picture, okay. And we also are updated with the population, whether it is increasing, decreasing. It's not just, the births happening, there are deaths also. So it gives us a clear understanding, a clear picture of our country in the world level, that where is our population rising or decreasing or stable and all those informations. Okay. So that is census of the year 2011. Okay. Now it is 2020. 2020 it is now. Okay. So the population of our country is how much? Yes. Read. 1 abja 21 crore 1,93,422. If you don't understand, I always told you, right there. Units, tens, hundreds. So it's 422. Then this is 1,000 and 10,000. So 93,000. This is lakh and 10 lakh. 10 lakhs place is 0. Okay. So it is 0. 0 means it is 1,000. Okay. So and 21 lakh. And naturally, what is it that? Yes, 1 abja. So 1 abja means 10 crores. Okay. 1 abja is 21 crore. 1 lakh, you can read this in words is written. 1 abja 21 crore. Okay, because this is crore, no, now new place. So 1 abja, that is 10 crores. This is 21 crores. Just a second. Yeah. 1 crore. 21 crore 1,93,422. Once more we read that. 1 abja. 21 crore. 1,93,422. Once more. 1 abja. 21 crore 1,93,422. Now you can see this chart, children. Numbers right from 1. In words we write 1. And number of zeros, there are no zeros for 1. That's why it is 1. Okay. The starting of a natural number. The starting natural number. So 1 does not have any zeros. If you remember, always in my explanation, I always talk about zeros because that is very easy way to understand. Now next number in 1 is 10. Okay. The biggest, smallest 2-digit number, children, 10. Okay. And biggest 2-digit number will be, that's right, 99. So smallest digit numbers are always with 1 and biggest digits are always with 9. Okay. So 10 has got 1 0, children. So that's why here in that column 1 is written. Okay. 100, 2 zeros. 1,000, 3 zeros. So like that you go on till the last. So you will see 1 abja. 1 abja has got how many zeros? 3 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see how many? Once more. 3 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 zeros for 1 abja. Okay. So 1 abja has got 9 zeros. So this is how we understand what is abja, what is 10 crore, what is 10 lakh. Okay. So it goes on from here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore and abja. Okay. So that is all regarding the abja. Hope this is very clear. Now we will understand with this dolls. So starting with here, you can see this place, units. One doll, units. This doll stands for tens. This little doll, little bigger, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Crores doll is the biggest one you can see, children. Okay, because only crores we have introduced for you. Abja is something more to understand, which you have to remember.